Now we're going to talk about skip counting by 10, okay? Because I want you guys to learn even bigger numbers. But instead of doing number order counting by 1, when you count by 1, you start with 1, then you count up, right? We count all of these numbers when we're counting by 1. But when we're counting by 10, guess what we do? We skip those numbers, then we start with 10. Then we skip those numbers, then we count to 20. We skip those numbers, then we count to 30. So since we're skipping all these numbers, we can just use these numbers in the corner of our hundreds chart, right? So when we skip count by 10, we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then we have our number 100. This is why it's called the hundreds chart, because there's 100 numbers. But even though there's 100 numbers, we are skipping 10, so that's why we call it skip counting by 10, okay? Okay, friends, let me show you my hundreds chart right there. Does anybody want to count by 10 all the way to 100? Ira, can you do it for us? I think you've already learned it because I saw you counting with me. Okay, so we have 10, then what?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Nice job, Ira. And make sure you guys don't say 13, 14. Okay, these are not teen numbers we're counting. It's ending with the long E sound. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And what do all these numbers have, you guys, in the one spot? What do all these numbers have? Anybody can tell me? Yes, Yuvan, what do all those numbers have?
0.
They all have a 0. Good. So you guys, this is a preview, okay? I want to show you guys my place value blocks. I have them in real life, not just on the computer. So look, this would be the same thing as skip counting by 10. You guys see my 10s right there? I have 10. Then I have what? 2 10s is 20. Then I have 3 10s is 30. Then I have what? 40. Then what? 50, 60, 70. Do I have any ones, you guys? No ones, right? 80, 90. Then what happens? I have 100. It's all bundled up. But if I had them all side by side, it would look like this. And doesn't this look like what? It looks like my hundreds chart. Ta-da! Look at this in my number ladder. Just like we looked at my ladder before. What number will go there? What number is missing? Yes, Shastika, what number is missing right there? 10, 20, 30.
40.
Good. There's my 4040. Nice. Okay. Oh, I have this missing number on the top. Now you can count backwards and figure that out. Yes, Afreen, do you know what number is missing there? 100, 90, 80, 70.
60.
Good job. It's kind of like counting back from 10 to 0, right? Look right there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. But don't forget the 0. 60 is 60. All right, let's see what's missing in this ladder right there. Yajva, what number is missing down there? 30, 40, 50, 60.
70.
Yeah, 70. Nice. Okay, nice job. All right, what number is missing there? Let me see. Varuksha, can you tell me what number is missing in the purple box? After 50 is what? 50. What's next? Or let's count backwards. 90, 80, 70. Yeah, 60. Good. And 60 is 60. Nice, Varuksha. Now I made it a little bit harder. I am missing this number, and I put this number as missing too. So we're trying to figure out what number is going in the blue box right there. Yes, Shastika, what number is going in the blue box right there? 90, 80. 70 would go there. Look, 50, 60, 70 would go there. What goes there?
80.
80. Nice. Okay, then if you're not sure, you can count on and count back, just like we do. What number is going in the green box right there? Green box. Ishika, do you know what number is going there?
In the green.
Yeah. So if 20 is there, you can go 20, 30,
40.
40. Yes. Ta-da. All right. Oh, I'm missing 3 numbers now, but we need to find this number in the purple box. Gritvik, what number will go there? Yeah, we have 70. Nice. I put the missing numbers out so you guys would have to count on and count back. All right. Oh, we're trying to find the one in the red. You would have to count backwards all the way from 50. Abzar, do you know what number will go in the red box up there? We have 50, 40, 30, 20.
50, 40,
30, 20.
10.
Ah, you got it. I'm sorry, it's 10. That one was a little tricky, but it's not that really tricky, right? Because we have 50, 40, 30, 20. 20, the number before 20 would be 10, okay? Now let's look at it differently. Now we're looking at it going this way, left to right, but it's still the same thing. I will ask Aryav, what number is missing in this box? 10, 20, 30.
40.
40. Yes, I'm glad nobody's saying 14. It sounds like 14, but this is 4040. 14 is 14. Try to figure out what's going in this box, starting with 60, 70, blah, 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 blah. Good, Varuksha. Varuksha, what number did you write? 60, 70, 80,
90.
90. Yes, good. I like her using the chat. Okay, look. We have 20, 30, 40, blah, blah, blah. What is the blah, blah, blah? Afrino.
50.
Yes, 50, 50, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good. Okay, how about this? We have 50, 60, 70, blah, blah, blah. What is that blah, blah, blah number? Okay, Yuvano, tell me the number that is missing. Good.
80.
80, 50, 60, 70, 80. Nice. Oh, look at this. 70, 80, 90. What is the missing number? The missing number there. The last number has 3 digits. Okay. Yajva, what number is missing here? My last number when we're skip counting by 10.
100.
100. You're right. Okay, everyone. That was skip counting by 10.